For supplies, you will need your colors, which are 50 cents each from Walmart, matte paint. You can also get a 25-cent bottle of glue that you will use with water to water down that paint. And then optional is silicone lubricant, WD-40 or some sort of off-brand, because the silicone bubble will give us cells and make really pretty spots of color. You're gonna add a little bit of water, a little bit of glue, and a little bit of paint. It's gonna be 1 part water, 1 part glue, 2 parts paint.
Down here on this side of it, right? Right here, that way you pull the rope that way.
And now we add just a tad of silicone lubricant to give us those pops of color.
And I kick it out, so
A little bit more? There you go.
boom!
Go. And we're mixed up.
Here, I'll do that as a yellow.
1, 2, 3.
Wait.
Tip it. Okay, and
Lick bath,
Ooh.
lick bath.
Did you start it?
yeah, it's recording.
Nice. Now just admire that.
You have to gently tilt it.
Let me go grab the lighter.
Oh, Daddy, do you have a lighter on you?
Here. It's for the.
He's got it. He's got it.
I want to do it.
It's to make cells. You have to heat the top of the picture.
Here.
Josie will get the lighter when it's time.
No, you can get the lighter now. I need it.
Well, I've got it. He wants it.
Give it to him.
Give it to him?
Yeah.
Isabel, come here.
I don't want
Izzy, come on.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Come over
Ready?
here. Good girl.
Yep.
Come on in the house. Come on.
Now light it.
Come on in the house. Good girl.
Here.